抱枕声、滑盖手机声、敲杯子声、尤克里里声、药瓶声、撕纸声。3, 2, 1。
What's up guys? So, the video you have just seen is the first commercial of the Mi Mix 3, which reveals something more about the smartphone. The commercial video mainly highlights the tremendous bezel-less display and the manual slider mechanism of the phone. The one more thing noticeable here is the bottom chin, which is looking quite thicker than our expectations. Obviously, it is not that much thicker like its predecessor, but also not looking as slim as like of the Oppo Find X. The video shows a dual camera module on the front, packing a main 24-megapixel sensor. The video also packs a surprise with it, and it clearly reveals the phone will not feature a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. So it means the phone does have an in-display fingerprint scanner, like the Mi 8 Pro or the Explorer Edition. The phone can be seen fitted with a vertical dual camera setup, along with a glass, or maybe a ceramic back. Recently we have seen a picture that shows the Mi Mix 3 with a physical fingerprint scanner. So it is possible that the company could release the phone with a rear fingerprint sensor and under-display fingerprint scanner versions. Today, someone on Chinese social media posted a night camera sample of the Mi Mix 3, which shows the greatly improved camera quality of the phone. The sample can be seen with very less noise and clearer details that hints that the company is deeply focusing on low-light photography. So as per rumored specs, the Mi Mix 3 is expected to have a 6.39 inches AMOLED display. It will not have a 100% screen-to-body ratio because of this bottom chin. It will be the world's first commercial 5G smartphone, packing with up to 10 GB RAM. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, with Adreno 630 GPU. Apart from that, the phone is expected to be priced around 3,799 yuan in China, approximately $549. So stay tuned with our channel to get a first look on this phone. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.